Hello and welcome to my channel. The painting today will be urban landscape in a rainy day. The painting will show some houses on the street with a reflection in a rainy and a wet day. So before painting, I sketch the house, I sketch the trees, I sketch the street with the cars and some reflection of houses, trees on a wet street. So the sketch will be quick, and I use the perspective, 1 point perspective, with everything focused on a vanishing point in the center of the painting. Before painting in detail, I put some cool watercolor and warm watercolor to warm up the painting a little bit. I use orange to make the painting warm in the middle. So the house has the orange color, because I would like to show some lighting reflection from the inside the house, and it's the contrast with the cool color on the reflection on the street. Before the going to paint the other things, I paint the remote tree first, because don't wait for the water to be dry, so make the tree more soft rather than very sharp. So on the house on the right hand side, I would like to make very strong color using a very less water, and use more pigment with cool and warm color to emphasize to make the focal point on the right hand side of the painting. So I use a strong pigment, and after that I put a lot of water on the top of the roof, and it's run down to the bottom of the house. Also I put some color to the remote houses, but highlight some light and make the house contrast with the shadow, lift up to make the water run back to the top, so that it's soft, rather than make it very sharp. On the left hand side, this is a fence only, and I use a very dark color to make it contrast with the light color. The far right is another house. It's very close to us, so make it a more strong pigment to emphasize the house in the middle. So now the reflection of the tree on the left hand side, more pigment, because the reflection will reflect the underside of the tree. So the tree reflection will be stronger than the tree, the real tree on top. So I use dark color, blue and gray to mix together, and also don't forget to put some orange to make it lively and more interesting for the painting. On the right hand side, because it's the very focused part of the painting, so the pigment is also very strong to create the depth for the painting. So the I use strong pigment as well. Usually I have to spray water so that make the reflection more lively, more real, rather than very sharp, very sharp edge, and that's not very good for the painting. So the reflection is very sharp. So we need more water, a lot of water, and the water will blend the color together and makes it more natural to be look. So the branch tree and the tree branch use very small size brush to use small size brush and use brush stroke to make the tree branch more natural. The reflection of the pole, the electric pole, also make it in the middle of the painting, and this reflect to the street as well. Some highlight on the street, like the reflection of the electric wire above. I use the dry brush to paint the window of the house after the colors is dry enough. So don't put the dry brush stroke on the wet area, because it doesn't make its work if the brush stroke put on the wet area. Only do the dry brush stroke on the dry area, and you have to wait for the painting dry enough to put the dry brush stroke and make the dry brush stroke is very useful to make the painting more natural look. Some white color to highlight and connect everything together. So the white color is from watercolor tube. You can use tray from the tube. It make strong pigment to highlight everything. Now I would like to show the edge of the fence, and also put some more detail to the painting, like highlight and connect every object, everything together. another highlighting to the roof of the house. So the windows in soften, and also put more dark to the house, because it's a focal point of the painting. Also soften the tree branch as well, and soften the edge of the right hand side houses. Now I'm done. The painting finished, and it's time to look back to the painting. And hope you enjoy the technique I use, and also the value of the painting. Thank you for watching and subscribing.